Don't you just hate tan functions? But you gotta know them for the methods exams. For this question, we've got the diagram below shows part of the graph of y equals tan of x on 2. The values of a and b, respectively, could be. Try this question and see how you go, but if you want to be better at answering trig function questions, then join Maths Methods Club. Because here's going to be the fastest way that you're going to learn how to answer these types of questions. You can group past methods exam questions by this topic. If you select multiple choice and click on filter, you're going to see all these questions just on trig functions. Learn how to answer each one of these. That way, when it comes to the exams, you're going to have no trouble at all answering trig function questions. For this question, notice that we've got tan of x on 2. There's no horizontal translation of this graph, which means part of the graph of this function is going to pass through the origin. And if we complete the full cycle of this tan graph, it's going to look something like this. We also know that the period of a tan function is equal to pi over the coefficient of the x term. In this case, this is a half, and so the period is going to equal 2 pi. And because we don't have a translation left or right, this means the first asymptote is going to be half of the period, and so the first asymptote is going to be when x is equal to pi. The next asymptote, which is going to be the value of a, is going to be 1 period apart, and so if we add 2 pi to this first asymptote, we're going to get the second asymptote is at 3 pi. And so a is going to equal 3 pi. And so we can cancel out options A, B, and C. The value of b is the x-intercept of this tan graph, and this is going to be halfway between the two asymptotes. If the distance between the two asymptotes is 2 pi, then halfway it's going to be pi, and so if we add pi to 3 pi, we're going to get the value of b is equal to 4 pi. And so the answer is going to be option D.